My name is Rhonda Heineman. I'm from Omaha, Nebraska. I had my hip replacement on December 17th. So it had been canceled 3 times prior in Omaha. And then the surgeon decided to retire. So I was in panic. I found out in May I needed a hip replacement. So it was put off way too long. So I was so happy when my sister gave me a recommendation for Dr. Lamley. I wanted the anterior approach, and she said, well, Dr. Lamley does those. So let me give you his contact information. So then I called and for initial consultation, and I said, but I don't want to do the consultation unless you're pretty sure you can do it this year. And then they did come back and said, yeah, we think we can get you fit in. So I said, okay, let's go for it. So I met Dr. Lamley once. That was on the initial consultation. My husband had came with me, and they did a x-ray, and they were surprised the ball was completely crushed. So it was very bad. But the team here was great. And then also the hospital, my nurse was Kim. The care I got was amazing. So I have no complaints whatsoever. And I look at it, and it's like, things happen for a reason. And I'm really glad I had it done here instead of Omaha. So I think the care was just amazing and so much more personal. When I was supposed to have it done there, they were gonna make me spend the night, overnight, but here I did not have to. I was released, and like my husband said, it's like, we got to the hospital like at 6:30 a.m. and we were home by 6:30 p.m. Prior to the surgery, because the ball was crushed, for maybe a month and a half to 2 months, my bones were actually clicking together. And so what it was doing was causing nerve pain all the way down to my knee, and then some, and to where I literally could not walk. The pain was so bad, and it was just muscle apathy. But afterwards, I had no issue with the actual, where they put the device in. I was a little swollen, and I think it's because the surgery was delayed for so long that I couldn't do any exercises. What I thought was great, I did do one class prior when I was supposed to have it done there. And so when they suggested I had to do another, or was required to do another class here, I was kind of surprised because I said I already did one, but I could not believe how much more thorough the training was, or the class was, the pre-surgery class. The booklet that we got that had so much written out that you could refer back to, the do's, the don'ts, and just took some notes. So, and the instructors, that would do the class were amazing. So I was so glad that I did the class. I can walk. I'm excited about even being able to walk and hold my new grandson. He's just 4 months old. I couldn't walk, hold him and walk at the same time. I was using a walker. Now I just use a cane occasionally. So yeah, day-to-day life has changed drastically.